G'day and welcome to the French Fan Key Fob Part 2 with Jenny Brandis. In this video we will be showing how to put it all together. We will need the lace, the tape, the clamp and a means to close the clamp. As I am using a soft gross-grained tape, I will be using 2 layers that will be hand sewn together. Using a length of the lace thread, hand sew the lace to the tape, catching every second outside loop of the lace, making sure to keep the lace in the center of the tape. Go down one side and up the other to secure the lace. You may like to simply colour in the threads on the back, but I'm going to line the back with a second layer of tape. Take the second length of tape and whip stitch the 2 layers together in a matching thread. Now we trim the excess tape from both ends. Take the finished lace piece and fold it in half, matching up the ends. We're going to add the key fob clamp next, using the internal prongs to hold the finished lace piece as we fasten the clamp. Here you can see the clamp prongs before it is on the tape. Taking your finished lace piece in one hand, insert it inside the clamp and press it onto the prongs. I am using my husband's fencing pliers, but you can use any flat nose pliers, bench vise, or even 2 bits of wood and a hammer to apply the necessary pressure to close the clamp. In this case, I started to close the clamp unevenly, so needed to apply more force to finish the close. Each of these can be purchased from the Etsy store from JennyBrandisLace. Thank you for watching.